welcome back to my channel. My name is Samyu Sivakumar and I'll be teaching you guys how to make a chocolate banana ice cream with a hint of rose syrup. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We need bananas, 2 bananas. This is a very nice natural syruped banana. How I got this was I left it in the freezer for 2 days. It's a peeled banana. And overnight, I kept it in the fridge, and we got this nice syruped banana. Next, we need yogurt. 1.5 cups of yogurt, which you can find at your grocery store, or you can make it at home. And I thank my mom for that because she made this yogurt. Next, we need 1 cup of any chocolate. I'm using chocolate chunks. You can also use any other chocolate like dark chocolate or milk chocolate. Next, I am using this, 2 spoons of sugar, and this is just raw sugar. You can also use white sugar or whatever you have in your house. I will use, this is vanilla extract. This is pure vanilla extract. You can also find this in your grocery store. And this is a nice rose syrup. And you can get this at any Indian grocery store. This is a very nice touch to what we are making. And I will be using a Vitamix blender. Any blender that you have in your house would work fine. Okay, let's get into making this. I'm very excited. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is put in our yogurt. So I'm just gonna put that into my blender. Next, we're gonna put in our chocolate. Next, we have our sugar. Now it's finally time to put in our bananas. And I'm going to put in it with the syrup so it has a better taste to it. Next, I'm going to be putting in the vanilla extract. So this is 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And make sure to measure it very carefully or else it'll overpower the whole ice cream. Next, we will use our rose syrup. We're just going to use 1 tablespoon of rose syrup. Alright, this looks really good. And now I'm just going to put this on top of the blender. Alright, so I have all the ingredients inside my blender. I'm using a Vitamix, but like I said, you can use any blender that you have in your house. I will be putting the setting to frozen desserts and I will run it until it completes. Alright, I'm just going to start it and... Okay, so that has finished running the setting of frozen desserts. So now I'm just going to take this off and we're going to see how it turned out. Alright, so I've taken the cap off and I'm just going to pour this mixture into a glass bowl so I can put it in the freezer so that it can turn into ice cream. The color looks really good. Okay, so I've just put a cap on top of my glass bowl and now I'm going to put this into the freezer. I'm just going to stick this into the freezer overnight and then I'll show you guys. Okay guys, so I've left the ice cream overnight in the freezer and now it's time to check out how it turned out. Okay, so here is the ice cream and it turned out pretty good. So now I'm just going to do a final presentation so you guys can see how it turned out. So here is how this ice cream turned out, and yes, I will show you guys up close. I'm going to try the ice cream I made, and it already looks delicious. Oh, and I also forgot to mention that I topped this off with rose syrup as a drizzling and some sprinkles that you can also find in your grocery stores. So. That's really good. It's like a burst of flavors. You can definitely taste the banana. I feel like when you first bite into it, it's like a banana flavor, but then the aftertaste is like rose syrup, and it's really good. Especially with the sprinkles, it adds a little bit of burst in the flavor as well. But I can definitely taste the banana and rose syrup both equally, as well as the chocolate. It really blends in with the banana, gives a really nice sweet taste and ripe taste as well. Like, I can eat this all day. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.